Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Indian Chieftain. 2017 Indian Chieftain. This bagger has a 1811cc engine. This Indian is a steal with less than 3,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Mint condition, this fully loaded Indian Chieftain boasts a big 1811 cubic inch engine, AM/FM, CD, stereo, factory navigation, cruise control, Bluetooth capability, and it's classically dressed in a silver matte paint job, beautifully accented in black and just the right amount of chrome. More so, it's not really even broken in yet. One owner bike, garage kept and just waiting for you to come break her in the way you'd like. Nationwide financing options available. Extended warranty coverage available. Painstakingly cared for, and all this lady needs is fuel and a rider to hit the friction zone. Call Marc for details at 954-279-6619. Easy credit terms. Good credit or bad?